Jack Mac Outdoors. Today we're gonna be going fishing at Otter Creek, Mill Dam. I call it Old Mill Dam. That's what the sign says. But hope we catch something big.
I got a fire in me, you're gonna set to burn. And we got a world to see, and all the time to learn. Oh, hey. Let's set out on our road. Hey. We'll see how far we can go.
Watch it. He's got it. Hit him.
Oh my goodness.
Gar. It's a gar. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Oh shoot.
That thing was so heavy.
I know. You have to let him run. Gotta let him run. Whoa boy. You gotta let him run.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah. Under the gill.
Under the gill? Oh.
Pinch your fingers together.
Oh, shoot, I got him. Oh my goodness, that was close. You get so hard. That was like scary.
You fought him really well.
Thanks. Oh man. Shoot, is he good?
Yeah, he's good. Let him go. He'll go. No, he'll go.
Oh yeah. I think he's good.
Wow. Hey, good fight. Good fight. Man, you fought him well, Zach. That was good.
Yeah.
Really good skills.
That was
Really
great.
good skills.
Man, I've never had a...
Oh,
Oh, it's a little...
pumpkin seed.
It's a pumpkin seed. Oh, he didn't steal the minnow.
So good.
Oh, look at the minnow tear it up, though.
Yeah, he tore it up, didn't he?
Mm.
Nice pumpkin seed.
Yeah.
Man, he's a tank.
Yeah. I'd probably keep that minnow on.
You gonna throw him back?
Yeah.
Pinch him. I got you. Here's he.
What just happened?
He was sitting right there.
Oh, really, man? And he just banged.
He was following in your minnow.
Yeah. Is that a largemouth? I think it is.
That is a largemouth. The mixed bag of mixed bags.
Oh
Get
my
a shot of it. Make sure my camera's on. Oh yeah, baby. Mixed bag time. Little bass. Nice.
Let me throw him in the rapids.
Got him? Yeah, you do. Don't jerk anymore. Just keep it tight. He's not on? He's on. Oh,
Tiny little.
pumpkin seed.
Oh, that could go in the. Ooh, that's nice.
It's beautiful.
Ooh, look at that blue on it.
Yeah.
I love that.
There you go. Push his fins down. There you go. Nice. Nice.
And let him go.
Yeah. Nice. Uh-oh. Be ready. Get it. Okay, make sure you're fighting him. He could be big. I don't know. Okay. Oh!
What is it? Scar?
Who knows at this point?
I think it's a baby bass. Tiny bass.
He's not getting up. Oh, another one.
Is it largemouth?
Dark smallie.
Ooh.
Oh, dark smallie. A little bit darker here. Make sure my camera's on. Oh, nice one, Z. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
I'm gonna put him back.
Yep. Yeah, let him sit right there. That's a good spot. Oh, yeah. Get it. Missed it? Probably. Good spot right there. There you go.
Something happened. My thing's trying to bite.
Mine's going. I'm letting him take it. Got one. Not a big one.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh, bass. Nice bass.
Ooh.
Wow.
Wait, what happened? My minnow. It just came off.
Look at that dude.
Could you do the
Beauty.
Okay, I got a bite.
Get him now. Get him now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good fish. Good fish. Feel big? Hey, fight him. Fight him. Oh, yeah. Rock bass.
It is a rock.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, mixed bag. That looks like almost like a crappie.
It does. Oh, look at the black on it.
That is beautiful. Here.
Ooh. Looks like it has
Whipping.
Sharpie on it. Thanks to my Hank Parker speed stick, I was able to catch this rock bass. It has a nice Sharpie lining on its fins.
See some of that. Oh, yeah. Nice. Let's show. Speed stick, baby. This has got some meat to it. This fish got some meat to it. Oh yeah. So I said, you got one on too. Hit him, Zach. Hit him, hit him, hit him.
My thing's like, oh, jumped up.
I don't know what this thing is, but it's got some meat to it.
I don't even know what just happened to my reel.
This guy's staying down. Oh. Oh boy. Talk about your all-time mixed bag.
Oh, that's a catfish.
Channel. Slide your hand up right there behind him. Slide your hand like this. Like that. Got it?
Goodness,
Yeah, here. Let me get a good
so
shot
soft.
of it. Nice fish. Beautiful channel cat. Face to face.
Yeah.
All right, throw me back. Man, he'd be a good eater. Another smallie.
On the Jarvis Walker. That'd be really cool because then you could get a first person view.
Get it. There you go. Good fight, good fight, good fight.
Is that a gar?
Nope, that is your bobber slipped down and that's a bass, I bet. Maybe. Or
A baby catfish.
there you go. Slide your hand right up there. There you go.
Oh, what?
Yep. Nice.
Yes, should we,
Ah, let him go.
Let's set out on our road.
Get it whenever you're ready. Hammer it.
We'll see how far we can.
Oh, it's a gar. Yep, fighting. Yeah, I think so. Fight him slow. Fight him slow. I think it's a gar. If not, it's a huge fish. That's a gar, I think. Be ready. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. He's gonna run. That's right. Let him run. If he runs, let him run. There you go. There you go. There he is. Walk him over here. Walk him over here. Walk him over here. Walk him over here. Yeah, get him in the shallows.
spotted gar?
Yeah.
That is insane. Snap the line.
I grabbed him by the head.
Oh my goodness. How do you hold him?
Woo, boy. There you go. Got it?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my
Oh.
goodness. Hold on a second.
Amazing.
Great fish, Zach. Hold on a second. Come on, baby.
Imagine if we had this in the pond. This would eat like all of our minnows. Look at the teeth on it.
Oh, it's ridiculous. Beautiful.
Oh goodness, it's like
Okay, I'll
that's scary.
I'll let him go.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yeah. Oh,
He's bleeding.
yeah, he'll be all right. These things are animals. You're not gonna have any problems at all, are you, buddy?
There he goes. He's so camouflaged.
Oh yeah, super camo. See him cruising?
Yeah. Oh my.
Snapped my line, baby.
Yeah, that was just.
See, we were extremely lucky to get it in because he could have done that at any point.
Yeah. Caught 7 species. A lot of species. I think one was rock bass,